Hey everyone, welcome back to Mad About Design. In this exercise, I'm going to show you how to design this Dedecahedron using Autodesk Fusion 360. Before starting, I would like to explain what is Dedecahedron. It is mainly a platonic solid which is made of polygons having same number of sides and same lengths. For a common example, we can take cube, which is made of only squares and have equal number of lengths. In our case, this platonic solid has only pentagons and it has 12 number of pentagons. Here are the tools and commands I am going to use in this tutorial. If you guys have any suggestions and recommendations, please let me know in the comment section. Now, without wasting time, let's get into it. First of all, create a new design by going to File, select New Design. The unit I am going to select for this tutorial is millimeter. If you want to change, just click on here and you can change it. For now, let it be millimeter. I am going to create a new sketch on the top plane. We need one pentagon to create the complete sketch. To do so, go to Polygon and circumscribe polygon. You can also take inscribed polygon for this, but for now I am going to work with circumscribed polygon. Select the center of the polygon as the origin. Change the sides to 5. To do so, press tab and change the number of sides. Make it 5. And you can give the radius any length according to your preference. But for me, I am going to take 35 mm, or we can make it 45 mm. Press enter. Here you can see the polygon is not fully constrained because all the sides are blue. In order to make it constrained, select this edge of the polygon and make it horizontal or vertical. Here the icon appears. That means this side is completely horizontal. Now you can't change the length or you can't rotate the polygon. For now, our sketch is completed. So, finish sketch. Go to surface. Because I am not directly going to extrude this profile in order to make it solid. First I will create the surface, then I will turn all the surfaces into solid body. In order to make this sketch a surface, go to Patch, select this profile and enable chaining option, operation new body, click OK. Here you can see a simple surface has been created and it is a pentagon shape. If I go and locate under our browser in bodies, here you can see it says surface. You can easily distinguish whether it's a body or surface by checking this icon. Now I am going to create a copy of this surface. To do so, go to Move command, For the object, select this surface, and for the move type, free move, and for the pivot point, select this center of this edge. Done. Check this create copy option and rotate this surface at an angle of 116.565 degree. Here you can see. Click OK. Now I am going to mirror this surface around this shape. To do so, go to create pattern and circular pattern. Object type bodies. You can change it to faces also and select this surface. And for the axis, click on this blue axis. Number of items 5. Distribution full, and click OK. Here you can see we have got all our 6 faces, but they are not joined together. As you can see, if I try to move one of the surfaces, I can easily do so. So before doing any further steps, I would like to stitch all these surfaces. To do so, under modify, click on stitch and select all these surfaces. Here you can see some of the edges have turned in green and some of the edges are red. That means stitches will be applied on these green lines, not on the red lines or edges. So click OK. Now all the surfaces have been stitched to one single body. Here it is. Now it's time for the second part. For that, I would like to mirror this whole body. To do so, go to mirror, object type bodies. We don't need to change it to faces every time. So click on this, and for the mirror plane, click on this plane. Here the operation appears as join, so make it as new body and click OK. Here we have got 2 different bodies. Here is the mirrored one. Now we need to align this body with respect to this. To do so, go to modify and move command. Select this body, and for the pivot point, select the center. Click OK. Now rotate this body at an angle of 36 degree and press enter. Right click and repeat move command. Select this body. In this case, I am going to change the move type from free move to point move. Select this point of our body 8 and it will move to this point of our upper body. It looks great, so click OK. Here is our dodecahedron ready. Now, as you can see, we have 2 different bodies. We have not joined them. To do so, under modify, click on stitch command. Select both of the bodies. Here you can see where the stitches will be applied and click OK. Now you can see here all the surfaces have been transformed into bodies. We can inspect this one also by going to section analysis. Select this surface, drag it in downward direction. Here you can see it's a completely solid body. Click OK. Here you have got our analysis, so hide it. Here is our dodecahedron ready. If you want, you can apply some colors on it. Press A to go to appearance. I'm going to apply this paint metallic white color on the full body, and for these surfaces let's apply some yellow, red and black color on them. Yeah, it looks great. You can also apply the same color options on the lower side, but for now just leave it as it is. Thank you for watching the whole tutorial. I hope you guys have learned something new from this tutorial. Do follow me in the Instagram, and if you have any suggestions and recommendations, do let me know in the comment section. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, keep designing and design whatever you love. Bye bye.